Welcome to the Environmental Studies lesson on human communities and environment. By the end of the video, you will learn about human population growth, human health and welfare, natural disaster, and preparedness for disaster management. You'll also learn about resettlement and rehabilitation of people, problems and concerns, and case studies on people's movements. Our journey starts with the emergence of modern Homo sapiens around 50,000 BC. Back then, the world's population was a mere 5 million. Over the millennia, it grew slowly, driven by increasing birth rates as agriculture became more efficient. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Harsh environments, food scarcity, and diseases kept population growth in check. Fast forward to the 1800s, and we witness a dramatic surge in population, thanks to the Industrial Revolution, improved healthcare, and sanitation. By 1800, we reached at 1 billion, and in just 80 years, it doubled to 2 billion. Today, the world's population stands at over 7.6 billion, and it's projected to reach 11.2 billion by 2100. Now, let's explore population growth trends. Improved nutrition and healthcare have led to more babies surviving and longer lifespans. Today, the world's population grows annually at a rate of 1.18%. Take India, for example. At independence, it had 350 million people, and by 2018, it reached 1.357 billion. As populations increase, so do the challenges related to resources and sustainability. As human communities expand, they interact with the environment. Human activities and environmental degradation are deeply intertwined. Rapid industrialization, exploitation of resources, and deforestation have led to environmental challenges. Some argue that these activities are necessary for economic growth, while others see them as threats to humanity's survival. The line between natural calamities and human-made disasters is becoming blurred, and we must address these issues. Turning our attention to human health and welfare, we learn that health is not merely the absence of disease, it's a state of complete well-being. Environmental factors play a significant role in health. Clean environments became crucial after the Industrial Revolution, leading to the establishment of public health as a discipline. Today, we face new challenges like chronic diseases, and public health focuses on prevention and community health. Community health takes a broader view, considering the health of entire communities. Instead of focusing on individual patients, it emphasizes community well-being. Community diagnosis becomes essential. For instance, detecting a single cholera case in a village signals a potential outbreak. Community health plans for prevention, treatment, and vaccinations to protect vulnerable individuals. Understanding environment-health relations is crucial. Our health results from a complex interaction of genetic, behavioral, and environmental influences. Genes determine some health aspects, but diseases like allergies and hypertension are also influenced by the environment. Behaviors like smoking and nutrition play a role too. Environmental influences encompass physical, chemical, biological, sociological, and psychological factors. Disease often results from the interaction between humans and their environment. In the past, epidemics like plague and smallpox were beyond our control. Today, science and technology help us understand and control diseases linked to the environment. However, modern life brings its challenges, including stress-related illnesses and health disparities due to nutrition and poverty. We must balance development with environmental protection. Finally, let's discuss natural disasters. These events, such as earthquakes, floods, and volcanic eruptions, have a profound impact on human communities and the environment. Asia is particularly vulnerable. Our response involves preparedness, management, and mitigating suffering. Development can sometimes increase disaster risk, so careful planning is essential. Human communities, whether nestled in rural villages or bustling within vibrant cities, play a pivotal role in shaping and being shaped by the environment they inhabit. The dynamics of these communities are intricately intertwined with the natural elements that surround them. They rely on the environment for the most fundamental of necessities: clean air to breathe, fresh water to quench their thirst, fertile soil to cultivate crops, and a stable climate for comfort and sustenance. Our communities thrive when the environment is healthy and a harmony between society and nature is maintained. These communities are diverse and vibrant, each possessing its unique characteristics, customs, and needs, all profoundly influenced by the environment in which they thrive. From the simplicity of rural villages, deeply rooted in agriculture and close-knit traditions, to the bustling metropolises teeming with diverse cultures and technological advancements, the spectrum of human communities is as vast as it is captivating. Our survival, comfort, and prosperity are intrinsically linked to the environment. Nature bestows upon us the essential components of life: a constant supply of clean and breathable air, an abundance of fresh and potable water, fertile soil that yields bountiful harvests, and a climate that offers respite from extreme conditions. It is within the embrace of nature that our communities flourish. As human communities evolve and grow, the environment often undergoes profound transformations to meet the expanding demands of society. While these changes are often driven by the pursuit of progress and development, they can also bear unintended consequences. Pollution, deforestation, and the overexploitation of natural resources are some of the byproducts of these transformations that can harm both the environment and human well-being. Let us introduce you to the concept of sustainable living. Sustainability entails the prudent and responsible use of resources to fulfill our present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. It is the path to ensuring that our communities thrive in equilibrium with the natural world. Biodiversity, the rich tapestry of life on Earth, stands as a cornerstone of our community's health and vitality. This intricate web of existence includes diverse plant and animal species along with the ecosystems that support them. Conservation efforts aim to safeguard and nurture this biodiversity, ensuring the continued well-being of our environment. While our communities thrive within the embrace of the environment, they also face formidable challenges. Climate change, pollution, habitat loss, and resource depletion loom as significant threats. However, there is hope. Through awareness, education, and collective action, we can confront these challenges and pave the way for a sustainable future. That concludes our lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.